Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the open links in default browser feature on the Facebook Messenger app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll find the menu option. Go ahead and tap on it to access your Messenger settings and features. This is where all the customization options for your app are located. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of different options available. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can control how Messenger behaves and what features are enabled or disabled. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Photos and Media option. This section controls how Messenger handles various media files and external content, including how links are opened. Go ahead and tap on Photos and Media to access these specific settings. Inside the Photos and Media section, you'll now see an option called Open Links in External Browser. This setting determines whether links you tap in Messenger conversations open in your phone's default web browser or within Messenger's built-in browser. Having this enabled means every link automatically launches your external browser app, which some users find disruptive to their messaging experience. To turn this feature off, simply tap the toggle button beside Open Links in External Browser. You'll notice the toggle switch changes color or position, indicating that the feature is now disabled. This means that from now on, when you tap links in your Messenger chats, they'll open within Messenger's own in-app browser instead of launching your phone's default browser. This keeps you inside the app and makes it easier to get back to your conversations without switching between multiple applications. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the Open Links in Default Browser feature on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.